Everyone, Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. You can see our van there. So we're working on a property today which has been long gone in terms of actual maintenance. So we're going to be blowing all the debris off this roof. That's the first step. But I want to talk to you about gutter cleaning. So if you don't maintain your gutters, as these folks haven't, the water will just overflow, and it'll also overflow on over the gutter, and on occasions it'll overflow on the inside of the gutter, in which case it'll rot out your fascia. So let's talk a little bit about why it's a good idea to maintain your gutters. So your gutters are only there, they're not there to collect leaves, okay? So they're there to collect water and then get the water away from your property. So there's two things that are really important there: for the water to flow to the downpipes, and then for the downpipes to be clear so that it can actually get away. So those two things are critical. Just think about that. So if you're getting any damage in your eaves or on your fascia or around your property, so if the water's overflowing on your deck, it's just going to rot it out slowly but surely. And generally speaking, the price for gutter cleaning is, I would say, relatively inexpensive in terms of a house property maintenance task. Everyone, so just working away on this property, cleaning out the gutters. Now, as we were saying before, the gutters are only here really to collect water and get that water to the downpipe so that it can flow away easily. So if you think about your house and you think about your gutters and your downpipes, it's an interconnected system, okay? So there are stretches of gutter which require access to a certain downpipe so the water can flow. And so it's really important that the gutters are clear, or at least clear enough for the water to flow. In this case, there's no chance the water's going to flow through any of this. It's just simply too compact. And even if it did, even if the gutters were clear, so let's say I'll just clean the gutters, okay? If you come over here, you see here, the downpipe is completely blocked. So there's no point cleaning your gutters if your downpipes aren't clear. So that's fundamental. So why would you clean your gutters, and why is it important? So the number one reason is that you don't want to have water damage on your property, okay? So that means water damage to your eaves and water damage to your fascia boards, and then potentially water damage around your property. So you might have some decking, or you might just find that if your house is on stumps and the water is constantly, overflowing, then who knows, you might have to re-stump sooner rather than later. Now, the second thing is that you got to remember with gutter cleaning is that from a aesthetic perspective, your house doesn't look great on the street if it's absolutely chocker with gutters and there's grass growing out of there, and it just doesn't look that presentable. So that's the second major reason to kind of consider it. And the third reason is really preventative maintenance. So at the end of the day, why let things go and then create further damage, which you're then going to have to pay for down the track? Now, if you haven't had a chance to look at them, we've got two other videos, or three actually. One on unblocking and flushing downpipe, so have a look at that one. Just go to the search icon and you can search flush. The second one is gutter guard, does it work? And there's a number of gutter guard videos on there, so you can consider that if you want to have a look at that. And the final one is a product which we install to maintain your downpipes from getting clogged, and that's called Gutter Brush. Again, all of those can be searched on through the search icon on our website, and you'll see those videos. I hope this has been helpful to you, and give us a call if we can give you a quote. We'd be happy to try and help you. So as you can see, all the roof has been blown down, so all the debris is off the roof. I'll show you here as well. So all the gutters have been cleaned, so they're all completely clean. If you want a company that's going to do the right thing, we always take photos before and after for customers in case you're not home, or even if you are home, doesn't matter. But if you want a company that's going to do a complete job, a thorough job, and communicate with you before and after, as any company should, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you.